Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter. Boom, 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 review stuff. Boom, bam, bam. Oh, I just honked my horn. Nothing. I'm sitting outside of the Speedway. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. There's this guy right there and he's loading in all the coffees and things like that. Anyway, I'm sitting outside Speedway, the convenience store of Speedway. And I just went inside because I just got done with my vlog. I'm so embarrassed. He's now like looking out here like, why is that guy just like sitting in his car talking? Because I'm talking to a camera. Anyway, it is 12:59 a.m. and I am pre-recording this video for tomorrow because I just got done filming my vlog. I vlogged for like 2 hours tonight. So if you don't know, I have a vlog. It's called Peter Vlogs. I drive around every single night and I just talk in my car, or I sit at home with the dogs and I talk, and some people say it's like a podcast. So if you're wanting to find something new to just have on while you're cooking dinner, or you want to listen to while you're driving to work, or driving the kids around town, or getting ready in the morning, or going to bed at night, check out my vlog. It's called Peter Vlogs. Yeah, so I have a really, really great group of people over there that are so friendly, and they become friends in the comment sections, and they respond to each other, and they comment to each other, and I just love it over there. But anyway, I just finished it, and I was going to drive home because I'm about 25 minutes, 30 minutes from home, and I was going to listen to my audiobook, and I was like, well, I mean, I already broke my diet that I'm not on anyway because we went out to dinner tonight. Oh my God, we went to Puccini's, and I had the Diavolo on linguine. I feel like I can't say it tonight. Linguine? You know, not fettuccine or spaghetti. We'll just say that, not penny. Not penne. Anyway, family friendly, oh my God. So if you know what that word means in Spanish. But anyway, so we went out to dinner tonight, and then I went and vlogged, and I want to get vlog done early because I was like, I'm gonna go to bed early. This was early for me. It's now 1 a.m. The clock just changed. But anyway, I was like, I'm gonna go to bed early because then I'll be up early tomorrow, and yeah, I'm trying to get on a structured schedule. It's been suggested to me by many people. So anyway, but I was kind of like, I think I need a snack. I mean, I deserve it. I vlogged for 2 hours, so I went inside Speedway and I bought some treats. The guy that was in, he saw me buying all this kind of stuff, and he was like, kind of looking at it like, hungry? Yes, I'm very, very hungry. I bought some gum. So here's the gum that I bought right here. This one is supposed to like keep your fresh breath up to 60 minutes. And God knows, I know some people that need that. I don't. My breath, it just smells fantastic all the time. Probably because I chew so much gum. But I will tell you, do you know, I know some people, I feel really horribly for them though because they have the gingivitis. Listen, that's one thing I am so thankful that God has not bestowed upon me yet. It's the gingivitis, because I do feel bad for people that have it. Have you ever met somebody and they just have such horrible breath? And you know, it's like every time you talk to them, it's like, but they can't help it. They can't. It's so sad. I feel so bad for them. So I always buy gum because gum helps with all that. Woo, it's hot in here. Hot potatoes. Okay, hot tamale train. Anyway, I also have a Dr. Pepper from McDonald's because of my diet. But I really am going to be on a diet one of these days. I don't know when. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next Wednesday. I don't know, maybe April. It doesn't really matter at this point, okay? I keep on saying it. It never happens. I keep on thinking that if I say it long enough that maybe one of these days it'll just like I'll wake up and I'll be on a diet. Is that how it happens? I hear that. Now listen, okay, when you're a large Marge like me, people always want to give you advice, okay? And I used to work with this woman back in the day. I don't check in on her often. We'll just leave it at that, okay? I don't really care what she's doing these days, okay? I hope she's living her best life. Probably not, though, as bitter as she was. She's probably living her worst life. But anyway, so back in the day, she would always, you know, want to give me hints on how to lose weight, and she'd say, have you ever thought about just, you need to like eat less and move more? Oh, really, girl? Really? Eat less and move? I never thought about that. Eat less and move more, which is why I bought these Hostess donuts, okay, the crunchy kind, because I love these so much. I also like the chocolate kind, and I also like the powdered kind, okay? So really, I always say this, there's like not a donut. He just keeps on walking by here, looking out here like, what am I doing? I'm gonna turn off my lights, because then maybe he won't wonder so much. There's not a donut that I don't say hello to. I do love a good donut. They have Krispy Kremes in there. Krispy Kremes are not my favorite donuts, but I wouldn't say goodbye to a Krispy Kreme either. I mean, if it was knocking on my door, I'd probably eat one. Did you hear they came out with Rick and Morty Krispy Kreme donuts? That's over on the totallythebomb.com. But anyway, I have to say, my favorite of these little Hostess, not the special ones, I've done some special ones over here like carrot cake, but just of like the mainstays, the crunch are my #1 favorite, and then #2 are the chocolate, and #3 are the powder. I don't love the powder. Like if I never had to, I almost said fart, didn't I? But anyway, family friend, I mean, we all do it, don't we? But anyway, if I never had to eat another powdered donut, I mean, in place of like something else, I think I would be just fine. So I got this, but then I wanted a candy bar, and I was like looking through there, and I was like, oh my God, I have been wanting to review these Twix cookie and cream new cookies. That's not gonna be my thumbnail because I got more candy, trust, okay? But I was like, I've been wanting to review these for so long, but I'm always on a diet. And so I'm like, well, I'm on a diet today. Because every day I wake up and I think, oh my God, today is that day. And then my husband texts me, he's like, do you want to go out to dinner tonight? I'm like, well, I guess today's not that day. Do you live that diet too? If you are on the Peter diet, you know what I mean. The Peter diet is like, you have great intentions, okay? And you wake up and you're like, I'm doing it today. Okay, 2 lean cuisines for dinner. That's all I'm gonna have. And then I'm gonna run 10 miles tonight. I'm gonna do the mini marathon in May. You say all that kind of stuff. But then your husband or wife texts you and they're like, pizza? And you're like, tomorrow. It's gonna start tomorrow. But I'm always on a diet when I want to review these things, right? So I got these Twix cookie and cream things, which I have to tell you, I love Twix, okay? I do. My grandma, she used to always have them in her little drawer where she kept, my grandma that went to prison, my cousin Caroline's grandma too, you know that grandma, she went to prison for embezzlement. If you're new to my channel and you don't know, you gotta catch up, okay? I have 2 grandmas. My one grandma, that was my dad's mom, I called her my grandma that made me Rice Krispie treats, because she did. She made really good Rice Krispie treats, and she put them in a box, and then she'd take hosiery, she called it hosiery, and she'd tie it on the top so that they couldn't come out. There's all these cars in the background, they're trying to like ruin my, I'm like, there's somebody parked over here, they're watching everything. I didn't even know they were sitting over here watching me. That kind of, don't, like, why? Paparazzi, please. But anyway, my grandma, so she would make, the hosiery part, I know it doesn't make any sense, but what she would do is, so the box didn't spill in the car on the way home, she'd take hosiery and she'd tie the box up with old hosiery. I know, did you not? Hose, pantyhose, okay? But not the crotch kind, just like one, you know what I'm saying, just like one little knee high or something. Just, it doesn't matter. So anyway, don't try it. Is somebody walking behind my car? Oh my Lord, that scared me. I thought it was a serial killer because I got a true crime book club. Oh my Lord. Okay, but anyway. So my other grandma, my grandma went to prison. I love her so much. I love you, Grandma. But anyway, she did. She went to prison, not just once, but twice for embezzlement, okay? But, so anyway, my dad said it was real sad. He said she was a single mom. I think she was trying to take care of her girls. But he goes, I don't condone it. But that's just what I think that happened. So anyway, my grandma went to prison. She had this drawer, and she would keep candy in there. Not candy for me and Caroline, okay? No, it was for my grandma, because my grandma loved candy. She drank those little Cokes and coffee, and she smoked Salem's like they were going out of style. Maybe Salem Lights, but I think they were the hard ones. She smoked Salem. She always coughed like that. She would smoke Salem's like they were going out of style. And then she kept juicy fruit gum in that drawer too. If my cousin Caroline is watching this video right now, she is dying laughing because she knows it's the truth. And she kept these little, not these Twix bars, she kept the big ones in there because she loved Twix bars. So I'm trying the Twix cookies and cream for my grandma that went to prison. I'm trying them for her, okay? She deserves a dedicated video. Listen, she had hard times. I'm sure it was. That's also where she learned to play cards real well, too, is when she was up in prison. But anyway, she could deal cards like nobody's business. Here is another car. I swear to God, do these people not want me to become YouTube famous? So then I thought, well, I need to do a comparison study of this, okay? So I got the Hershey's cookies. And if y'all like these kind of stories that I tell about my grandma and all this kind of stuff, go over and watch my vlog channel. Like, y'all see I'm marketing the hell out of my vlog channel. Well, it needs it. But anyway, go watch my vlog channel. I tell stories like this for like 2 hours, okay? Maybe not as funny as this. Some of them are real tragic and sad. And I talk about back in the day when I was using drugs and drinking, but we don't do that no more, okay? I've been sober 25 years. So anyway, we're not a glum lot. We have fun, we start YouTube channels. That's what you do when you're sober. Okay. So then, I got this Hershey's cookie and cream bar too, because I wanted to compare it to the Twix. I see. You're catching on now, aren't you? Okay, it only took us 9 minutes to get here, but you're catching on, okay? We're going to compare these two. And then I thought, well, if I'm going to compare that, why not I compare it to the Kit Kat mint and dark chocolate duo? Why? Because I'm hungry. I just wanted to try this. I've been wanting to try this Kit Kat for so long, so we're going to try her and maybe throw her in the title, maybe not. But anyway, okay, let's try the Twix. Let's get into this now that we're almost at 10. It went like this. Woo! I know some people's legs that are like that. Oh my God, family friendly. But I do, okay? I do. Listen. When you get as old as me, you know quite a few people that's legs are like that, and yours might have been that way once or twice in your life too. I'm just saying, mine have been maybe. Okay. Anyway, family friendly, we don't need to go there. Okay, let's try this. I'm so excited about this. Cookies and cream Twix. Okay, are you ready? I bet it tastes really good. I love cookies and cream ice cream so much. And let me just tell you, back in the day, I used to get the cookies and cream ice cream, and then I would get Oreos, but I'd get the real cheap ones because that was when I was broke and I didn't have no money. And then I would crush them up like on the counter, and then I would put them into my ice cream. They were so good. So I bet this is gonna taste just like that. You can't wait, can you? But it's gonna be so good, I can tell you. Hold on. I mean, can you even taste it? Can you want to taste it? You do. You want to taste it, don't you? It's gonna be so good. Oh my God, it is gonna be so good. I can't wait. It tastes exactly like a Twix to me. It doesn't taste any different than a Twix to me. Just a regular old Twix. I don't taste anything different about this. Now my hands are messy and I didn't get any paper towels or nothing. I mean, maybe the aftertaste, I can taste it a little bit. But not enough that you'd care. Here, I didn't even hold it up for the thumbnail. Hold on a second. Don't you hate when you do that? Come on, damn it, Janet. I'm trying to fan them out like cards. Hold on. I can't get the right face. 11:49. I'll never remember that. Okay. Now let's try the Hershey cookies and cream. I hate mukbangers that lick their lips, but I don't, or lick their fingers, but I don't really know what else to do. Because I don't have any napkins, I'm sorry. Okay. I need my readers just to open this candy bar. You know you're true. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, oh, so many cookies and creams. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Oh my God. This is gonna be fantastic. I just know it. You know it's gonna be good, don't you? You didn't think I was gonna pull that again, did you? But I'm not going to anyway. Because it's gonna be really good. I can't wait. Okay. She got her hair done. Well, it's like white chocolate, which I love. You can definitely taste like the cookies, like the Oreo part. And there's actually kind of like an Oreo cookie on the front of it in a way that you can't in the Twix. I'm not going to do a rating number, but this really, really surprises me because I'm just comparing the two. I was not excited about this Hershey bar, okay? I really didn't think it would be that great, but it is like heads and tails better than the Twix bar. I mean, like heads and tails. Like if I was going to go in there and not just like leave the cookies and cream part out of it, this tastes so much better than this. So much better. I mean, it just tastes like an old Twix bar. There's nothing really that exciting about it. But I do want to say that I love that they changed their packaging on here. I mean, they changed theirs on here too, but whatever. Okay. Now let's try this. Kit Kat mint and dark chocolate duo. This is kind of like, it's 200 calories per pack. That's not bad, 210 calories. This is kind of like the mint chocolate chip. There's like a car over there and there's a car over there. I feel like I'm about to be taken by some serial killers up in here. God knows he looks like a serial killer a little bit to me. He's like, who are you talking to? He's got his pajamas on. Serial killers don't roam the earth in pajamas, do they though? Oh, boring. This is so boring. I mean, it's kind of minty, this Kit Kat. You got a pack of Pall Malls, menthol, and two about 52 ounce pops. Those big gulps, you know what I'm talking about? It's gonna be a wild evening of video games over there. He's gonna smoke one Pall Mall after another like my grandma. Drink his big gulp. Oh my God, here comes another car. Sweet Judy Blue Eyes, can you give me a break? I am trying to do a video. You guys, these are so boring. These taste like minty Kit Kats, and they're not good. Maybe try just a little bit more of one. I don't like it at all. It sounds like he's listening to talk radio. My God, it's so loud. He's probably listening to Dr. Laura Schlesinger trying to change his life. My mom loved that Dr. Laura so much. Oh no, he's listening to some comedy. He's vaping as he walks in the door. He is like my age or maybe older, and he's... It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This guy that I said looked like a serial killer with the pajama pants on, he's kind of cute actually. He got Jewel cartridges. He's gonna Jewel all night long and watch video games, play video games. He's gonna Jewel and Mario Kart it all night long. Well, what are you doing, Peter? I'm sitting in my car reviewing candy bars. Get over it, okay? Anyway, okay, it goes in this order. It's how it goes. Number one, the Hershey cookies and cream. This is the best. And then the Twix cookies and cream is just okay. Like, I would probably give this a 5 out of 5. I would give the Twix cookies and cream. I would give it like a 4.2 because it tastes like a Twix and I love a Twix. But it's just nothing exciting. This Kit Kat Duo, I love this word. I've been saying it a lot lately, so I'm gonna put it on this, is off-putting, okay? It's something real weirdly about it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the mixture of mint and stories about my grandma being in prison, but there's something real off-putting about this, okay? I don't like it. I don't know what it is. It's weirdly to me. And there's something about eating a Kit Kat that's green, that kind of, it's like using green ketchup. You know what I'm talking about? There's something about it that's real off-putting. You know what somebody commented on my video the other day? I about fell out from this. They said, I don't know if this is a joke or if this is how you really are, but if this is how you really are, I love you. And I thought, what does that mean? Okay? Yes, this is how I really am. Go watch my other videos. This is how me and my good GDs are. We sit around, we just solve the world's problems and talk about my grandma. Listen, my grandma, I bet she had all kinds of life lessons, and she probably would have told me not to eat this Kit Kat either. So anyway, he got him a big Slurpee. A big, huge one. It doesn't look one bit good to me. Who at 1 o'clock in the morning just thinks to themselves that when you're my age, okay? I think I might want a big old 52-ounce slushie. You're probably thinking to yourself, who at your age thinks, I think I'm gonna go inside and get me some crumb cake donuts and review me some candy bars? Well, I do. I do. That's what you do when you're a world famous YouTuber of the world. Anyway, I'm kind of over all this candy at this point. I'm just ready to have my donuts and listen to my audiobook. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.